Francisco, you just baked yourself 10 bucks. It's time to play Which Cat is Cooler?
Which Cat is Cooler is the game show you've been searching for. Using Semrush, we can see what people look for on search engines. See if our contestants can guess what search for most. Correct answers get you $10. Incorrect answers get you kicked off the show. Oh, and be sure to look out for the Semrush Super Search question of the day. It all starts with a simple question. Which cat is cooler, A or B? A.
B. A. Answer right. Answer.
A. B.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect.
Oh. A.
That's correct. You're the newest contestant on Which Cat is Cooler. Did you just graduate?
Yeah, we both did.
Oh, congratulations. What better time to be on a game show? Let's see if we can make you some money. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
We both got on purpose.
Oh, look at that. You set him off. He'll go all day.
I play too much. I can't be out shit like
90 degrees. Easy come, easy go. Let's go, Francisco. Question 1. Every month, blank number of people search the phrase, can I use baking powder instead of baking soda? Is it A, 8.5 thousand, or B, 1.5 thousand? Everyone in the whole world. We're under fire here.
Honest opinion, A.
8.5.
8.5.
B.
B, 1.5 thousand. I'm sorry, it's A, 8.5 thousand. Dante, no! A, 8.5 thousand. That's correct! $10. That's correct, Francisco. You just baked yourself 10 bucks. That's correct. It is $8.5 thousand.
We're gonna go with answer B.
B. 1.5 thousand. I'm sorry, it's answer A, 8.5 thousand. Wow. We gotta go back to school.
Can I use baking powder instead of baking?
Can you?
It depends on what it is.
I thought you had it.
I
thought you were gonna be a champion. Are you a cat person or a dog person?
Dog person. Sorry.
Which ocean shows up in the most searches per month? Is it A, Atlantic Ocean, B, Pacific Ocean, or C, Arctic Ocean?
Atlantic.
Yeah, I was gonna say Atlantic.
B.
Pacific Ocean? That's correct! B, you banked another $10. You're up to 20 bucks. Atlantic, that's our consensus answer. No, I'm sorry, it's Pacific, B. Justin, Zai, I thought we had it. We're gonna keep going right now. I'm gonna give you question 3, which is our Semrush Super Search question of the day. Which means this question is gonna be worth twice
You
the
gotta
money.
make sure you give me this. I'm gonna start following you.
Yeah,
so I can watch
you
this.
better start following us after this. We're about to give you 20 bucks. It's gonna be 40 if you get this one right. Question 3. Which pet food related query is searched more often every month? Is it A, best cat food brands, or B, best dog food brands?
A, unfortunately, because I'm a dog person.
I'm a dog person too, don't tell Charles. And it's B, dog food
Wow!
brands. I'm sorry, B. That's it.
Congrats to B, this episode's biggest winner.
$40 in winnings this time. Well done, contestants. Well done, Charles. No Semrush Super Search question of the day winners, but there's always next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode of Which Cat is Cool?